Welcome back after puja. Now today we'll do question number 4 and 5 of exercise 7.3. Okay. Now in question number 4 what is written? Find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 having denominator 20. This is number A. B, you have to make numerator 9, and C and D would be your homework because it is very similar to question number A and B. First of all, we'll learn how to make the denominator 20. See, question number 4. Now, what is the fraction given in the question? 3 by 5, isn't it? So, we'll write 3 upon 5. Okay. Now, you have to make the denominator 20. What is denominator? You have to make it 20. So, equals to, you have to make denominator what? 20. Now, what exactly you have to do? That means you have to multiply, isn't it? 5 into something will give you 20, isn't it? So, what is that number? So, what is that number? So, suppose if the number is big. Now, I know that most of you know the answer. Now, suppose the number is very big. Now, what you will do is that you will divide this number with this number. That is 20 divided by 5. I'm just telling you what exactly you have to do for the bigger numbers, because now I guess you know the table of table 5, so it is easy for you to calculate. But if suppose it is written 120 or 200 or suppose 260 or 275, in that case it will be difficult, isn't it? So in that case what you will do, you will divide this number with the denominator. So for now 5 4s are 20, isn't it? What is the required number? 4. That means you have to multiply 4 with 5 to make it 20. But you have to be very careful with one thing also, that if you are multiplying 4 with the denominator, the same thing you have to do with the numerator also. Okay, that means 4 need to be multiplied with the denominator as well as with the numerator. So 5 4s are 20 and 3 4s are what? 12. So this is your required solution of sum number A, and this division you will do it at rough. Okay, now let's do question number B. Now again you will write this fraction 3 by 5. Now what is the next question they have asked? You have to make the numerator 9. So what is the numerator? This is a numerator, so you will again give equal to sign. Now you do not give multiplication sign. Okay, you have to decide that whether you have to multiply or whether you have to divide. Now see, this is a smaller number and this is a bigger number. When this type of connection, previous one was also like this. Here was a smaller number and you were supposed to make it a bigger number. So in that case, so you are multiplying. Similarly, what we'll do is that 3 is here, you have to make what? 9. So 3 is small, 9 is bigger number. So obviously we have to multiply something to make it a 9. Okay, so we'll do the same thing. 9 divided by 3. Okay, what we did in the previous sum, 20 divided by 5. Okay, now 9 divided by 3 is what? 3. So 3 would be multiplied with the numerator. But as you see, when you multiplying 3 with the numerator, the same thing you have to do with the denominator also. So 3 3s are 9 and 5 3s are what? 50. It's very, very easy. Okay, so I hope you have learned sum number A and B. So you will do C and D as homework. Okay. Now let's see how to do question number 5. Now question number 5. Again we have to make the equivalent fraction. That is, find the equivalent fraction of 36 by 48. Now we'll write this number. This is sum number A. 36 by 48. Okay, we'll give one equal sign. So that to make a numerator 9, so you have to make a numerator as 9. Okay, now 36 is there, you have to make it 9. Now you see bigger number is given and you have to convert it into what? Smaller number. Now when you see this type of relation is there, in this case you have to divide. Okay, so you just write division. Okay, and this also you have to divide, obviously. So or else, okay. Now what is the number that you will divide, okay, to 36 so that you can get 9? Suppose you are confused, I do not know the number. So what again you will do? You will divide 36 by 9. So rough 36 That is this number divided by 9. So what is the number? 9 4s are 36, isn't it? So what is the required number? 4. So 4 you have to divide. That is 36 divided by 4 will give you 9. And the same treatment you have to do with the denominator also. That is, okay, the 48 divided by 4. So 36 divided by 4 is 9. What is 48 divided by 4? It is 12. Okay, so the required fraction is 9 upon 12. So this is a solution of sum number A of question number 5. Now, sum number B. Again, you have to write the equivalent fraction of 36 by 48. So we'll again write 36 by 48. Now, what we have to make? We have to make denominator as 4. We have to make what? Denominator as 4. Denominator is 48. Now, you have to make it 4. Okay. So, again, we have to divide. You see, bigger number to smaller number. So, again, we have to divide. Now, suppose you are confused. I do not know what is the number. So, again, what you will do? 48 divided by 4. So, we will write 48 divided by 4. So, 4 ones are 4. Now, you will bring this 8 here. So, 4 twos are 8. Now, what is the required answer? 12. That means you have to divide 48 by 12 so that you will get the denominator as 4. The same thing you have to do with the numerator also. You have to divide 36 by 12. Now, what is the answer then? 36 divided by 12 is 3. Okay. So, 36 divided by 12 is 3 and 48 divided by 12 is 4. So, this is your required fraction. I hope both the sums were very, very easy. Okay. So, for today's session, you will do question number 4, A, B, and question number 5, A, B for classwork, and C and D of question number 4 would be your homework. You can submit all the sums together also, no problem if you want to. Okay. So, thank you. Stay happy and stay blessed.